This is so crazy. Look, if I flip to the next one, in Warrior, how to supercharge your car cheap. What? Then listen. Okay. Sounds like a turbo engine. So I've already done a comment. Why the hell does it sound like a turbo engine? No, I also got a comment on it and I liked it. And computer is probably starting turned on the truck. Yeah. That was a truck sign. This gave me RPMs. RPMs are miles per hour. Because it's blown air into the system.
It's working! Yep, it's stuck in there perfect. You want to give it a bump and see what it does?
What the? I want to subscribe to your channel. Damn flames I'm gonna like. Flames though. Them flames though. Loving it. Loving it. Them flames though. Loving it. That's my word. This is all on the Warrior. My dad's got something like that. What you do? What? What? Full video in comments. Wait, let's go to the full video. Alright, I'm clicking that. Yo! So loud. So slash loud. I'm gonna write. This is so probably not slash. There's that video again on my channel. Robbie Fade, Robbie Fade. Wait, what the hell?
Free drinks on that.
Wow.
Free drinks.
What the hell? What? Why the hell is he? That was a very funny stopping part. Yeah. Subscribe, bros. I'm a bro. I've already subscribed. When you're bored at the comment. What the hell? Probably that. Why the hell are you doing that? But bye guys, please like and subscribe if you haven't and you're new, please. Bye.